Divine Collective, I've spent all morning working on a new deck of cards. I quit counting my cards about a year ago. I think I left off at over 300,000. I write every day, Divine Collective. I have a lot of cards, okay? And I just created a new one. We're about to use it and see what type of messages we can get out of this. I had a lot of downloads come through this morning, Divine Collective. Spirit says the illusions were never stronger than the truth. Someone here is still refusing to take accountability, I'm hearing. It's very beneficial that you take the lesson out of the situation and not the loss, Divine Collective. Spirit says the past served its purpose. Your future deserves your full attention, okay? Someone may be trying to figure themselves out here pertaining to their sexuality. What's this about, Spirit? I'm picking up on a warlock, possibly in prison. A warlock in prison. Spirit says someone is setting this warlock up. Okay, and that fell right on top of sexuality. Someone trying to figure themselves out. A warlock in prison getting set up. Spirit says you can only come to a mutual understanding. It's only possible when both people are willing to accept responsibility, and you have someone here, Divine Collective, who is still refusing to accept responsibility, refusing accountability here. So something about you not being able to come to a mutual understanding with a specific person. I'm getting the feds being of significant. 555, Spirit says this is the shift. The shift. Your higher self has been leading you to remain spiritually grounded, Divine Collective. That is because the energy is shifting. Spirit says your wisdom today can prevent suffering tomorrow. Someone here, Divine Collective, they're in love with you and they're finally admitting it to themselves. They're finally admitting it. Spirit is saying, Divine Collective, some lessons were never meant to become lifelong relationships, okay? So you've awoken to the truth, or awakened to the truth of the matter, Divine Collective. That is what I'm hearing. Meanwhile, you've awakened to this truth. You've decided to move forward, okay, on your journey. Focus on you. Focus on your path, and now you have someone over here who is just now awakening, realizing that they hate nothing about you, that they're in love with you, Divine Collective. Two totally different timelines here. Totally different, okay? Again, some lessons were never meant to become lifelong relationships. I feel like this is a part of your life that you're closing the door and it will not be reopened. Whoever this is in the past that is realizing that they're in love with you now, Divine Collective, that door has been closed. I'm getting arguments, blame, fractured alliances. Spirit says they're all becoming visible. Divine Collective, you are being called to focus less on fear and more on wisdom, integrity, and your own healing. Someone now realizes that you are the real deal, Divine Collective. They're realizing this because every attack that they've sent your way, you've survived, Divine Collective. So you have to be someone special. You have to be someone important. They've done so much your entire life and you're still here. Spirit says respect has become your new currency, Divine Collective. Someone's sister could be passing. My condolences. However, the sister played a big part in all the spiritual attacks on you, Divine Collective. So again, with, this chapter closing, there are going to be certain individuals that will be leaving this timeline as that door closes, Divine Collective, in order to make room for new, okay? Your abundance is not determined by what others attempted to take. And I've said this before, Divine Collective. There's been situations where, I've exposed families for stealing inheritance, and these families have already spent the money, Divine Collective. And then you have people that are awakening, healing, like, okay, I'm doing all this for what? If they've already spent my inheritance, there's so much more to that than what you're hearing, Divine Collective. Again, your abundance is not determined by what others attempted to take. God will give you back everything that was taken from you, okay? And he will give you more with interest, Divine Collective, all right? It doesn't matter who spent, or whatever the case may be, Divine Collective, if it's gone, if it's been long gone, God will find a way, will make a way to get what yours is back to you, Divine Collective. And I speak from experience, as I come from a timeline where my inheritance was also spent, Divine Collective. So I found myself in that place of, what? I'm doing all this work and I'm not going to get my inheritance. However, that wasn't the case, Divine Collective. So I would often find myself questioning God, like asking, how are you going to fix this? Like, how are you going to make this happen? That was in the very beginning of my journey. And, you know, I just continued to go with the flow, and I continued to trust in God, Divine Collective. And every step that I took brought me closer to my inheritance. And, you know, I receive it in all different ways. Okay. It's not always going to be money in your hand. All right. I've received my inheritance in my spiritual gifts, Divine Collective. You know, I've received my inheritance. Some months the bills will be cheaper than they've ever been, and I'm like, wow, they've never been like that. What's going on? And that's all God. It's all how you see it. It's all about perspective, Divine Collective. But it's not always going to be physical money, right? And I really feel like that's something that a lot of you need to take in and think about. Okay, because in a lot of situations, an inheritance never comes through how you think it's going to, Divine Collective. Just for example, after getting into that car accident that was absolutely orchestrated, Divine Collective, I can sit here and say that now Spirit has given me the clearance, okay, and I was left with nothing. Almost 3 months later, I have a car, I had a little bit of money left over, Divine Collective, all because of how everything played out, how everything was orchestrated, Divine Collective. Spirit brought everything back to me with interest. But I really truly believe it was all about how I took everything in, how I received that lesson, Divine Collective, and how I continued to move forward, trusting in God. Okay? So again, your abundance is never determined by what others attempted to take. 9:24 on the clock. High Priestess. The High Priestess is confirming heightened intuition, deeper discernment, spiritual maturity, and greater inner wisdom. There's a lot of sexual energy surrounding someone that is very selfish, Divine Collective. This person really wants to get you into the bedroom. This is a very selfish energy, okay? They're coming off really hot and heavy here. Yeah, they're disgusting. Spirit says genuine love is rooted in respect.